Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming your Windows 11 build is 22,000 or newer. Open PowerShell as administrator to enable WSL features. Run the command WSL install to install WSL and a default distro in one step. If you prefer a specific distro, run WSL list online, then WSL install D Ubuntu 22.04. After installation completes, reboot your PC to finalize kernel updates. When Windows restarts, launch the distro and create your Linux user account. Switch your distro to WSL2 for better performance and compatibility. Run WSL set default version 2 so new distros use WSL2 automatically. To control resources, create a WSL config file in your Windows user folder. In WSL config, set memory equals 4 GB, processors equals 2, and swap equals 0 to reserve resources. Use WSL shutdown after editing WSL config so changes take effect. Keep WSL up to date by running WSL update regularly for kernel and feature improvements. Work with files by accessing Windows drives mounted at /mnt/c from within WSL. Edit code directly in the Linux file system for best performance. Install software using sudo apt update followed by sudo apt install package name like nginx. Run graphical Linux apps natively or use Visual Studio Code remote WSL for development. Backup a distro with WSL export Ubuntu backup. tar and note exported files can be several gigabytes. Restore using WSL import to move or recover distros quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.